Tired of struggling to capture what's on your screen? Let's ditch the frustration and unlock the secrets to taking perfect screenshots in Windows 11 in under 90 seconds. First up, the classic print screen key. Simply press the PRTSCN key, usually located in the upper right corner of your keyboard. This copies an image of your entire screen to the clipboard. Now, open an image editor like Paint. Press Ctrl+V to paste your screenshot, and save it wherever you like. For more control, try Windows key plus Shift plus S. This activates the Snipping Tool overlay, allowing you to select a specific area of your screen. Choose your desired snip mode: rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen, and drag your cursor to capture the perfect area. A notification will appear. Click it to open the Snipping Tool editor, where you can annotate, save, or share your screenshot. Want to quickly save a full screen screenshot directly as a file? Press Windows key plus print screen. Your screen will briefly dim. The screenshot is automatically saved as a PNG file in the Screenshots folder within your Pictures library. Finally, for a dedicated tool, search for Snipping Tool in the Start menu. This app offers more advanced features like delayed snips and different capture options. And that's it, you're now a screenshot master in Windows 11. Use these techniques for tutorials, troubleshooting, or simply sharing what's on your screen. Now go forth and capture